How to find your page location settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your page location settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click this three lines in top corner, and now click pages and then click select your page, and then just click about, and here you will find this one. Click on it, and here you can manage your location. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.